Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. This is for class 10 CBSE UP Board ICSE. Very easy. If radius inside the circle is 1 centimeter, we have to prove that the area of the rectangle triangle is 7 square centimeter when diagonal is given to us 6 centimeter. This is very tricky questions and very easy. It containing 3 marks. Okay, how we can do it? Because this is tangent, this is tangent, this is tangent. So that if we drop the perpendicular from here, this will be equal to r. And this will be also, if we drop the perpendicular is equal to r, this will be the square. Okay? Okay? Now, let us suppose we have also drawn the perpendicular on this also. Now we are having that if we join this also and this also. What happened? This arm will be equal to this. Because these are the two tangent from the external point. And this will be equal to this because this is also the tangent from the external point C on this circle. Now, if we see that this area of this triangle is equal to area of this triangle, correct? Because this is radius, this is radius, this is very much common, and this arm is equal to this arm. They are symmetrical triangles, so that area of these two triangles are same. If it is O point, then and it is EF, then we can say that area COE will be equal to area COF. Correct? Same over here, that area of FOB will be equal to area of this, suppose this is G, OGB. This area will be equal to this area. Or we can say, if we double this area, we'll get a total area of this portion. And double of this area will get this total area. It means accepting this, we are having double of this area plus double of this area. It means area of this triangle, if doubled, we will get full area except this area, except the area of the square. So that area of the triangle ABC, this will be equal to area of the square plus 2 times area of OCF, triangle OCF plus triangle OFB. Correct? This triangle is this angle. Because this triangle, this is number 1. If we consider this number 1, this one area will be equal to this one. And this second area will be equal to this 2 area. So double of this. Okay. Now this can be written as, this is the base. So the total area of this triangle is 6 into 1. It will be 2 plus area of the square. Area of the square is equal to 8. Area of the square is equal to 1 into 1. 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Area is equal to 1 into 1 plus 2 into area of this is equal to 6 into 1. Double of 6 into 1 by 2. 6 into 1 by 2. Base into perpendicular. Base into perpendicular. This get cancelled and hence this is equal to 1 plus 6, that is 7. Repeating it again. Now we are having these triangles. Going to rub it again and starting from beginning so that it should be very much clear. बिल्कुल साफ सुथरा हो जाना चाहिए आप लोगों को. देखिए ये वाला ट्रायंगल इस ट्रायंगल के बराबर है 1 equal to 1 because this is external tension, this is tangent, and this 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. The area of this triangle will be equal to area of this triangle. This is number 2 triangle. This area of this 2 triangle will be equal to area of this triangle is equal to this area. Because this side is equal to this side, this is common, this radius, external point, tangent. These are the tangents from the external point. So the total area will be equal to square area plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2. Because there are, we can say that total area of the triangle will be equal to the area of the square plus 1 portion plus 1 portion plus 2 portion plus 2 portion. Or we can say area of the square plus 1 plus 2 portion into 2, double of these two. This square is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 plus 2 into area of the first triangle is equal to base into height, this base into height, and area of the second is equal to base into height, this base is equal to this base is equal to this. So total base into this height is the area of this full triangle. It will be 6 into 1 by 2. Base into height by 2 is the area of the triangle. So that these two do to get cancelled. As we'll get 1 plus 6, that is 7 centimeter square. cm. This is the answer. Only trick is to be applied. It is easy and containing 3 marks. 3 marks है. ये इस त्रिभुज की एरिया इस त्रिभुज के बराबर है, इस त्रिभुज का एरिया इस त्रिभुज के बराबर है, इसलिए इसका इन दोनों को जोड़ देंगे डबल ऑफ दिस, इन दोनों को जोड़ देंगे डबल ऑफ दिस, और इसको पूरे ट्रायंगल का एरिया है this base into height by 2. This height is 1 centimeter as radius is given to 1. 6 into 1 by 2 plus the area of this square is 1 into 1. Okay, thank you, good night, good luck. Don't forget to like and subscribe me. It is very interesting questions, and please remain continue with my videos because they are very important. All below, there are several playlists are there for especially class 10th, so that you can watch it and learn. Okay, you are going to attend your examinations. Good luck for your good examinations. You will definitely secure 85 plus marks if you try by all the playlist. Okay, thank you, good night, good